So welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is some Subaru maintenance, and this is just general stuff that you should do. A lot of people forget to do simple things like adding coolant or topping off your brake fluid, and then you have issues down the line. But this is just simple maintenance that anyone can do. So I'll show you. So I brought out the battery cleaner and terminal protector because when I took this off, yeah, look at that. So the ground's good, but the positive, this is why you're going to have trouble starting your vehicle, and you're going to have issues down the road if you don't take care of this. So let's go ahead and start getting this stuff off here, cleaning it up, and go from there. All right, so get yourself a wire brush, and they also sell these terminal cleaners. These are really handy. We're gonna go ahead and scrape all this off. We're gonna disconnect it and clean up those terminals. Oof, look at that. That's pretty bad. You can see how it's all caked in there and everything. And this should be a 10 millimeter. And it's stuck on there pretty good. There we go. Oh yeah. So you can see how bad these things can get. So we're going to clean that up really good. Look at the bottom of that. So with these terminal brushes, it's just going to go right over top of this. And you take the top off here, and you got your center brush here. Oh, just chunks of stuff coming off. So if it's this bad, you may need a gun. All right, let's spray it down with some battery cleaner now. We'll let that soak, and then we'll clean it off. All right, we're gonna do the same thing to the negative. This one isn't as bad, but you want to protect it. You can see it's starting to corrode around the bottom there. Hit that with some cleaner. And you can use a pick to get the stuff that's really in there deep. Now we can go ahead and clean this off. And now we're back to a copper color. So that's going to make better contact now. Now that we clean these all off, we want to protect them with some battery terminal spray here. So let's go ahead and hit it. And then get this whole thing. Get both of them. And we can put them both back on. And let's go ahead and tighten them up. All right, both are on nice and secure. We're gonna hit it one more time with the terminal protector. There we go. That's what they should look like. So how much corrosion was there? And this is just something simple, so you don't have to worry about your car not starting because it's not making contact. Next thing we're going to do is the coolant. And there's your high and low levels there. And this actually has nothing in it, so we need to start adding to it. So it definitely needed it. You don't want your engine overheating. That can cause engine failure and all types of stuff. So now you got your .3 brake fluid, and this is low, so we'll go ahead and top it off. And we got some .3 for the Subaru. It's a 2016. All right, so we're all filled up there. All right, let's go ahead and check the oil. And we're actually good. We're a little bit more than good. It should be up to that dot right there. So a little bit of excess oil in there. You don't want to overfill them. All right, let's go ahead and check the filter. This is your air filter here. And looks like he must have put in a new air filter because this one's nice and clean. If it's dark and not white color like that, go ahead and change it out. And it's just 2 tabs that snap on there. Then also for when you're driving, you got your windshield washer fluid. You can actually fill this all the way up to the top here. Very simple. Also helps you out if you get stuff thrown up on your windshield and you need to wash it off. So level's right about there. That's decent. But you can fill it all the way to the top. It ain't going to hurt nothing. And you can use bug and tar remover. That sometimes works. You can also use buffing compound. Sometimes that works. So let's see what we can do for this thing. All right, so some quick, simple stuff. Keep your car running, keep it running good. Simple maintenance, anyone can do it. And we're all set here. So once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, check out the videos on all of our other stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Got all those white spots off.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.